I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class we have learned multiplication. What is multiplication? Repeated addition of any number is called to be as multiplication. And the result which we get after doing multiplication is called to be as the product. Okay? Understood? So today we are going to do some problems. Okay? Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Okay? Here are some pictures given. You have to read the sentence and fill in the blank. Okay? Number of groups. Number of groups. The first picture, how many number of groups are there? 3. So you have to write 3. Okay? Next, number of eggs in each group. Okay? I said here 3 groups are there. 1, 2, 3. Here, number of eggs in each group. In each group, how many number of eggs are there? 2 eggs. Yes? 1, 2, 1, 2. So you have to write 2 eggs in each group. Next, total number of eggs. How many total number are there? Total number of eggs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Repeated addition sentence. How you will be writing the repeated addition sentence? 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, understood. Next one is what? Multiplication sentence. How you will be writing multiplication sentence? There are 2 eggs in each group. So, 3 groups are there. Yes? So, how you will be writing 2? You have to write 2 3 times. That means 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Got it, children, all of you? Okay, next B. Here are some apple groups. Okay? See properly there and write down in the blank. First one what? Sentence number of groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, how many groups are there, children? 4 groups. Understood? Next, number of apples in each group. How many number of apples are there in each group? Here 1 group. Here 1 group. Here 1 group. Here 1 group. So in each group, how many apples are there? 2. So I have to write 2. Okay. Next, total number of apples. Total number of apples. 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 2, 8. Yes? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of apples how much? 8. So how much you have to write? 8. Okay? Repeated addition sentence. How you will write repeated addition sentence? Number of apples in each group? 2. Okay? How many groups? 4. So you have to write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 8. Okay? Understood? Next, multiplication sentence. How you will be writing multiplication sentence? 2 of 4 groups. Yes? 2 of 4. So, how you will be writing? 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. This is multiplication sentence. Okay? Did you all understand here? Now see, match the following groups to their multiplication. Now you have to match the following groups to their multiplication. Okay? How many groups are here, children? 1, 2, 3 groups. Yes? Here how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here 3 in each group are there. 3 balls are there in each group. Yes? 3 into 3. 3 groups are there and 3 are there. 3 balls in each group. So, 3 into 3. So, where you will be matching here? 3 into 3. Yes or no? Next, how many I told you? 4 groups are there. In each group, how many are there? 2 tomatoes are there. So, what you will be writing? 2 into 4. So you have to match 2 into 4. Okay. Now all of you write down in your classwork. Fact. Multiplication by 1. Okay. Here there is one apple in each basket. There are 3 baskets. In each basket, one apple is there. Okay. These are 3 groups of one apple each. These are 3 groups of one apple each. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 apples. How you will be writing? 1 into 3 is equal to 3, or 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Yes? What did you find out here? You can say that any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number. Okay? Any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. Understood? Multiplication by 0. Multiplication by 0. There are 3 baskets. In each basket, any apple is not there. Anything is not there. So, you have to write 0. 0, 0, 0. Okay? 0 plus 0 plus 0, how much? 0. Okay? So, therefore, any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 as the product. Okay? 3 into 0, how much you got? 0. So, you have known that any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 as the product. Okay? Did you all understand, children? By 1 we have learned that any number multiplied by 1 gets the number itself. In multiplication by 0, any number multiplied by 0 gives the product 0. Understood, children? So, all of you now copy down in your classroom. One plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much you got? 5. 5 into 1, how much? 5. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much? 6. 6 into 1? 6. Okay. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. How much? 0. 4 into 0? 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. How much? 0. 7 into 0? 0. So, what did you understand here? Any number multiplied with 1 gets the number itself. That is multiplication by 1. Here, multiplication by 0, any number multiplied by 0 gets the product 0. Understood, children? Okay, now all of you copy down in your classwork. Same as classwork. Whatever you have written in classwork, the same you have to repeat in the homework. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.